On this video, to show the last transformation, which is a rotational turn, we're going to move a figure about a point. In this case, my rotation point will be this one. So the coordinates are to -1. I'll call it R. So I'm going to suppose like this is the articulation point in which I'm going to turn the figure. The original figure is a triangle with these coordinates and these vertices A62, B25, C22. As you can see, this figure is on the first quadrant of the coordinate plane, and what I'm going to do is to basically use my compass here very quickly to show that I can make a rotation, in this case of 90 degrees, which is 1/4 of turn, 90 degrees counterclockwise, so opposite to the clock. So for example, here to show very quickly, I'm going to move this C. We'll see that this ends in C prime, B will end in B prime, and this A will end in A prime. Then I will get the final figure, which is the equivalent to turn this original triangle 90 degrees. Yes? 90 degrees. The final triangle will be like this, but the movement is also affected because of the rotation point. So new coordinates will be easily gotten. This would be A prime, which coordinates were 6, 2, and now graphically I can see that they are -1, 3. For B, I will get B prime, which coordinates will be looking at the coordinate plane, -1, -2, -3, -4, -1, -4, -1. Notice that both coordinates here are negative. That means third quadrant. And finally, to move C into C prime, so the coordinates of this one will be -1, -1, if you follow the pattern that the coordinate plane describes. That's simple. In this part we can see the equivalence in degrees of fractions of a turn. So you have that in a complete circle or a full turn, you have 360 degrees. So if you have only half of that, that is the equivalent to divide 360 into 2, which is 180 degrees. A third of a full turn would be 120 degrees, 1/4, 90 degrees, 3/4, 270. And we have two directions. Those are clockwise, which is in the same direction of the clock, and counterclockwise, which is the opposite. And that's pretty much everything about it.